Kwekuqala nje siyiho Regional Football Association sithanda ukuthi sibonge kakhulu kubasadi. This was just more than a sponsorship really sekudlala ibhola. Given that the amount of money that was invested on the that's Mawalala sports ground is quite a lot, and that's a permanent investment in our lifetime. Sekutaba ground lelapha mhlambe munye wethu angangitshela ukuthi msundu zamtsala kangakanani. So that's why I'm saying this is more than just an ordinary sponsorship. Sekudlala ibhola sibonga kakhulu nje kubasadi, which made that ground libe playable, and ukuthi now it will decongest the few grounds that we have. Usibongele nje kakhulu kubasadi ukuthi it's only God who can thank him better. Probably thine site lokungakulanga lesingabonga ngawo. Sitabonga ke ne City Council of Mbabane, which came handy in ensuring ukuthi that field is also playable. Balekelela through basadi no noma thina bese sicele kaningi ukuthi labantwana abaningi kunalama ground la khona, but nje i-City Council of Mbabane is always with us. Basibambisa kulokunengi kuze to keep bantwana fit and healthy through football. Ngibonge ke nema clubs. This has been a seamless competition so far, which is good, and I'm happy ukuthi you highlighted that for the continuation of the sponsorship, it's all dependent on how this partnership is handled, both from the administration point of view and even in the field of play. We would say, how do we handle ourselves as clubs, as individual people, la in Mbabane and beyond? We would say sitiphatha njani during the games. Logo atmos we would see we have to protect the name of the sponsor, the brand even, and nale bhola nje ngaso sonke isikhathi we have to protect it. It has to show a good name, a good sport wo wonke umuntu lokhona la kaNgwane. Bonakale ukuthi cha sport lesingasijoyina through tintfo leti human le stand up le bholeni. The issue of respect one another ngendlela lesi display ngato, it's very important. We would see to keep football live and being the number one sport. Kumqoka kakhulu lo. Sibonge nale competition. Kuthiwe ngesiswati leyenziwa yithotelo. You will think certain names atoba kulama semi-finals. But kunemagama lesingakawajwayela afika kuma semi-finals. Imbalati khona. That's the beauty of football. When it's not fixed, it's running freely. Any team can win the tournament. We appreciate that. We appreciate that competition. Kuyasijabulisa nje kakhulu ukuthi nonke senifike lana bangfo. We congratulate. It's not easy to reach this stage. I hope nani niyadivele nje. It's not that easy. I think nathi ngala office, I know there are always challenges with the officiation of the games. We are doing something with the competitions committee and the referees committee to look into the issue critically and give you the best. But these are some of the things which are just a process. They cannot come in one day. We are still working on it. We had some challenges there and there, but I think you have seen, sometimes you will be seeing new faces and I think they were up to your comfort. We would say at least akusuye bekunamawuse katseni bekwathiwa hayi mawuse utasilisa tinto leti kanjalo but at least now ngihle ngibona bobusoleni ngabati. Yes, we do have a challenge there, but I think we are sorting it. Hopefully in the near future it will be sorted. Sibonge kakhulu nje, sibonge kakhulu nakubatali ke labasivumelako ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi abantu ababo betekini nema clubs baphatheke kahle. It's very important ukuthi labantwana babe protected when they are playing this game of sport, especially under Basadi brand. Every kid must be protected. Kungavakali ukuthi ukhona umntwana lo phatheke kabi, so that labatali balabantwana batoba healthy as they release them to you. Babe ne comfort ukuthi hayi abantu abami batophatheka kahle nabaya lapho. These days we are aware ukuthi we're fighting evil actions which are happening in the society. So it's very important ukuthi we safeguard all those things. Umntwana nje nasaqhamuka ngiyabekisa angisho ukuthi ithathwe kabi, but you should interrogate that kid ukuthi ukuthatha phi lo, utshele ngibani, bayati nekhaya. Ungaqhamuka ukuthi sekuthiwa ukwende ebholeni siyayibona into enjalo, because vele siyababona thina badlali labakhulu benemathathu, but lamanye amathathu akasiwo la kahle. Siyakubona, we have to accept that emaphoyisa ayasiyale ngaso sonke isikhathi about that. So thina la sikhona khona, you find ukuthi it's a fertile ground for such things. So thina banikati bema clubs, let us protect the kids from such things, and I'll be happy lokho ukuthi si connectane with the parents balabantwana. Every time you tell the parents ukuthi oh igame itawuqala ngabani, thina si-assemblisha ngabani, itawuphela ngabani, so expect your kid at this time ukuthi utabe asesekhaya, and uphindze wende a very good follow up ukuthi umntwana ufikile yini ekhaya, siyayibona vele kanjalo. Then the sport will be free kulama other ills social, so sidanicela nje mathim nisibambise kakhulu kuloko. Uma kude maybe a person who plays a role as safeguarding, tell us, because we do have a capacity ngalanga football association who can train bantu within the club. So logo sikukatsingeliswe kwelebukhozi logo, and bantwana bangende buqala maybe muntu kula stanza sakhe. Ngabonga nje kakhulu imedia within a short space of time. I mean sinicele ukuthi nivele ngalana, nivele sibonga kakhulu kuloko kusihlonipha, and you are the people vele lento sitshelela wona umhlaba ukuthi what is happening laho under Basadi company, ukuthi how much we are sponsoring sebatshito ke imali letinkhulu akusho ukuthi bese sotama ngato tonke tindlela ukuthi ngibe yichampion ngitothola lo 25,000 bese sona into letikabi kana bakudlile nje bekunene uaccept, and what we are expecting sitabe sigma uhalala. I hope bantu asibemike bodwa abantu bakuma uhalala, but nje simema bonke nje bantu eveni babane maqenzelo everyone to go nalaba lamsunduza who are used to msunduza, let them seba visit njengale, sibe ne local tourism shobele ngale ngendla sivakashele bomakhelwane bethu bakuma uhalala sibone sibaphila njani. But nje lokumcoka ezisikuma uhalala ngete sakhodla ukuthi mawuhalala kuke kwaba kabi inyana esikhathi sinilesiphelile. So sitacela ukuthi ma community police ne bafana bembube bathi to make sure ukuthi everyone is safe nasiyodlala lama games. Kumcoka ke ukuthi sive singahlukumeteki ukuthi ngisuke ngalamba bane engatifaka kumahwalala, that has to be akufuneka ukuthi kube kanjalo. Nema finals zethu ke I think isitawendela khona letulo lel ground lela safuna nalo kul market akulifaka kahle, maybe vele kufuna ngalelo langa alivele. Sitawubonga nje ku Semi ni Semi kami high school lele lapha kwekuthi isivumele kwekuthi sisebenzise that facility kwekuthi ibe ngilenhle isebenziseke isetshenziswe i-community yakulendzawo. Akusho ke ukuthi bekunene nasebenzisa le facility funa bese sesilimata tindlo tesikole kufuna sibathe kahle lesikole lesake isikole lesigadzekile. Uyabona nje la eWestern angisho noma ngikholwa khona nalaba bebangati I'm a Methodist, that's why tindlo sitenda methodically. Akusho ukuthi lesa sikole lesa ufuna kube bese sekulahleka tindlo bekunene. Ngithi bekuqala lekufuna sithi to secure ukuthi that infrastructure it's well kept akulahleki ngisho ipensel lapha esikolweni. Lokhu sebaletha ibhola nje kufuna vele kube bede lokwendekako. Cishe ngathi nguloko bekunene sinifisele nonke ukuthi nidlale kahle. May all the teams win angathi uthi kanjani but nje ngifisela nonke ukuthi niwine bekunene. Sibonge kakhulu.